Good morning, boys and girls. We are on Unit 3, Week 1, Day 1. We are in our new morning workbook, so make sure you're on the first page of your new morning workbook, and then you're on Unit 3, Week 1, Day 1, Daily Edit Sentences. So number 1, Mandy reads the science book. Pause your video and fix that one up. Number 2, may I sleep in that seat? Pause your video and fix that one up. Down here you got your daily math review. I don't need to explain that one. And then story problem number 6. Mara picked 56 daisies. 31 are white, the rest are yellow. How many daisies are yellow? So you're going to actually solve this problem two ways. So you're going to solve it two ways right here. Pause your video and do that one. Number 7, you're going to write both the standard and word forms of this number. So what is 8 hundreds plus 6 tens plus 5 ones? Write the number here. It's going to be a 3-digit number. And then down here, you're going to write the word in words. Use your best spelling. It's okay if you spell it wrong. No big deal. As long as you do your best and write all the sounds that you hear, we should be able to read it just fine. Number 8, write the missing numbers in the skip counting pattern. So we've got 75, 65, 55, blank, 35, blank, blank, blank. Pause your video and fill those in for me. We got number 9, we're making tens. So what we're going to do on this is we're basically moving, where's my pen? There we go. Oh, I can't see it though, that's weird. Okay. We're working now. Okay, so what we're going to do is to make this 10 over here, because these are equal on each side, we're going to take 1 from this side and we're going to move it to this side. So this is going to become 10, and this number is going to become 1 less. So it's going to be 10 plus a number. Those are the numbers you have to figure out for those, all 3 of those. So pause your video and do that one, and then we'll start checking from the beginning. Alright, number 1. So here's what you should have come up with. So Mandy reads the science book. Need a period. And we're going to need a capital at the beginning because 1, this is a name, and 2, it's also the beginning of the sentence. So we need a capital for those 2 reasons. So we're going to rewrite it nice and neat. Okay, number 1's looking good. Now we'll go to number 2. May I sleep in that seat? So we need a capital. Always capitalize I when it's by yourself or it's part of a contraction in a sentence. May I sleep in that seat? Seat is spelled wrong. We actually want to spell the E sound with an EA. And then think of how this sounds. May I sleep in that seat? This is asking, not telling. So we're going to have a question mark at the end, and then we're going to rewrite number 2 nice and neat. Alright, we got number 2 looking good. And remember, as always, pause the video if I'm going too fast. Alright, daily math review. Doing subtraction again. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. So this one, Mara picked 56 daisies. 31 are white. The rest are yellow. How many daisies are yellow? So that means 31 are white. The rest are yellow, and altogether she has 56. So to figure that out, to find the difference, we can take 56 and subtract 31. So I'm going to draw a quick picture over here in the margin. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to take away 31. So I'm going to switch colors. Let's go with blue today. And I'm going to take away 31 of these guys. So I'm going to take them from this side. I think that's going to be easiest for me. Grab this guy that's out here by himself. And so everything that's left is my answer. So that means 10, 20, 5. So what's that's telling me? That there are 25 that are yellow and 31 that are white. So 31 plus 25 equals 56. Alright, number 7, write both the standard and word forms of this number. So 8 hundreds, so I'm going to put an 8 digit in the hundreds place, 6 tens. I'm going to put a 6 in the tens place, and a 5 in the ones place. So 865. And I'm going to rewrite it nice and neat in word form. So 865. Again, don't erase yours if you don't have yours spelled exactly the same as mine. Long as we can read it, that's cool. All right, on to number 8. Write the missing numbers in the skip counting pattern. So 75, 65, 55. Each time we're hopping, right, we're going back 10. We're taking away 10 each time. Oops, there's my 1. So 55, take away 110. It's going to be a 4 in the tens place. We keep the 5. Take away 110, we get a 3 in the tens place. Take away 110, we get a 2 in the tens place, so 25. Take away 110, we get a 1 in the tens place, so 15. Take away 10, we get a 0 in the tens place, so I don't have to write it, but we do have 5 ones, so I have to write those. Number 9, we talked a little bit about this. We're moving a 1 from here, making it over to the 9, making the 9 a 10. So that means the 4 becomes a 3. Okay, so that means this 3 becomes a 2 to make that a 10, and this 2 becomes a 1 to make this 9 a 10. All right, we are all done. Nice job. Start your reading street assignment.